Hi, I'm Kay Perry Michael Crawford, and I'm here to teach you how to create your own comic book. I'm going to take you through all the stages of creating a comic book and take you step by step so that you can actually create your own comic book at the end of this videos. As I said earlier, your story is the most important part of creating your comic book. For his upper torso area, and the main character needs to be likable, and we want him to be able to win at the end of the story, so we have to design him that way. And once you get this drawing done, you can go ahead, and I have a finished drawing up here of him, that you can go ahead and ink him and prepare him to be colored in. You want to have a good set of color pencils. Pick ones that work for you. There's a number of different color pencils out there of different quality and quantity and cost, and try a few out. Don't buy a whole set until you actually figure out which one works best for you. A good example before I go on to our next character, Spot. The Queen's is for the evil side, Queen Lingoon, and I see in her bottom of her dress, even though she's not the main villain, I made her look evil looking. You know, the pointed chin and the pointed nose, the pointed ears and stuff, so that she, ooh, even the pointed finger, so she looks kind of evil. And it's funny, when you do these concept drawings, you actually get other ideas on how to develop your story. So it's a really good idea to do the concept drawings and the paintings, because they do help you with ideas. And then you can go back and work the idea into your story that you've already written, which makes the story better. Okay, this can be a brick building, this can be a cinder block building, this can be stone. And when you're adding detail and texture to a building, you want to make sure you make everything look authentic, or as it should be, that you have designed it to be. So if it's a stone building, you want to make it look like stone. Once you have your artwork all inked in on your good paper, the next thing you want to do is you want to go back and clean up any lines, any pencil lines. If you used a pencil to draw on the good paper, you want to eliminate them so that they don't show up when they're scanned into the computer. Is to paint them with watercolor paints. I like the look and the feel of the watercolor paint, and I can get some really nice effects with it by adding acrylics and colored pencil on top of the color. I can make